I'm really excited about this next series, a series about Python, the programming language, and it is something that I've wanted to do for a really long time. I was trying to decide how I wanted to accomplish this. I didn't want to go through installing and getting involved in having to get everyone else installed and ready to go for it to work properly. I'm planning on using a tool online called Replit. Now, let me see if I can get the website up real quick. Replit is an online tool that will allow me and you to program online without having to install any software. In this series, I want to go over the basics of Python. Now, these concepts are very similar in every programming language. So once you get good at these, you understand what it's like in other programming languages, even though the syntax might be different or other things will be different. Now, I don't think Python is a very hard language to learn. Great programming language, definitely a tool for your tool bag. I think any serious IT professional should learn it. Now, because this is just an introductory video talking about the next series that I want to do, I'm going to lower this down real fast. I wanted to give you an idea of what it's going to be like. Now, in Replit, and I just realized that there's a run button that you can't see on yours because of the way I have it framed. But just over here, let's see where my mouse is. All right, just above where you see the words video on your screen over here. I don't know if it's letting me highlight that. But anyway, there's a run button up there. You can hit Control-Enter and hit Run, or you can hit Run. On your screen, you'll be able to see it, but I have it framed a specific way. So just to get an idea of how things are going to go, let's say we correctly write out the print command. And we're going to do hello world like we do in every other programming language that I've ever done, and I don't know why. Even in school, this is the program we wrote first. And then you hit Control Enter, and boom, hello world will come over here on the terminal. I love this. I normally program in Microsoft Visual Code. I love it. I also use PyCharm and I use Sublime Text. They're my favorite. But for this video, and you can use whatever you want. This video is going to be all done on Replit. But again, you can use whatever you want. Run the code. It's going to be magical. This is a basic tutorial for Python. Let me know what you think. When we're done, if you enjoyed this, we can go more advanced. Programming games, programming whatever you want. That's what's beautiful about programming. Sky's the limit. I would love to start programming little robots that I make with Raspberry Pis. That would be amazing. But we got to get through the basics first. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. I'll see you in the next video. This is going to be awesome. Bye for now.